Hey guys, Kiran from Tech Gadget now. So today we are going to see something based on fitness. As we know, due to daily rush or daily hectic work, we forget to do exercise. So it's a very problematic thing nowadays because most of people have diabetes, high blood pressure. So some companies are providing solutions for solving this problem. One is Powermax. So we are going to look into the Powermax cycle, exercise cycle that they have in the market that will help us to do daily exercise in our home itself. Before that, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button below so you can watch more videos like this in future. I have provided the links in the description below so that you can buy the Powermax exercise cycle from Amazon. So today in this video, I will be unboxing the Powermax exercise cycle and I will be showing the assembly of it. I will show you how to set it up and how the exercise cycle works and what and all its features. So please stay for the full video and watch it carefully so that you can set it up if you buy it. Let me give you a physical overview of the device itself. At the top we have the handle. It's made of solid iron. There's a cushioning that comes in the box, so you can add it to the handle and it feels soft. It's made of hard iron and it's not having any flux and all. Then is the seat. Seat is okay, not that cushion, but it's okay for the purpose. Then we have the seat adjustment. You can adjust the height of the seat as per your need. Then we have the foot pegs. So here you can keep the foots while cycling, and there is a belt so that you stay protected. And it's made of good quality plastic. This is the cover. It's made of plastic as well, but the bodies and the frame is made of solid iron, and it's very sturdy and it feels very heavy and premium. And here is the knob to control the hardness of the cycling. So you can see a click sound while rotating the knob. The plus means more hardness and minus means less hardness. Here is the digital meter. So it shows the speed, distance you have cycled, calories burned, scan, and the odo. Odo is the distance that you have traveled. So hope this video helped you to decide if you are looking for buying an exercise cycle at your home. So I have provided links in the description below so that you can buy it from Amazon. Thanks for watching and bye now.